There you go, guys. I'll just show you another way to flush a Mercury motor. So there's just a flush here, which that is attached to the cap. So you just unscrew that. Just give it a sec to get it started. I've got that started, so just unscrew that there. And then it's like a hose bit. So what you want to do is get yourself 20mm to 3/4 inch or 3/4 inch sprinkler adapter. I just got the American thread on it, so just want to get that started in there. Basically, the hose fitting just hooks into that, and you can just flush the top end of the motor with that. I'll just connect up the hose and show you. So basically, that's it there. I've got quite high pressure here, so does a bloody good job flushing the top end of the motor there. Alright, cheers guys.